We are back at it today, at home, ready to rip. Today's focus is sitting up, being up in the corners. It's scary to me. I don't know why, but let's hit this really quick. So sketch. Let's hit the triple. Oh, that was so sketchy. So sketchy, holy. Alright, let's get back to what I was working on. Alright. That was nice. Let's hit these two corners. I got this. Watch. Oh, there he goes. Got this. Oh, I don't. I failed on that one. Did not commit to standing in this one. Oh, that was a hard hit. I think I frame cased it. But holy, that was a hard hit. Yeah, we're not standing. I'm very inconsistent on standing. I gotta hit that clean next time. I gotta stop braking too before every corner. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I have the sniffles, so yeah. Alright, let's hit these two doubles. Stand up. Nice. Hit. I did not stand up. I should have. Oh geez, I'm getting tired, eh? So inconsistent at that, but I got that. So scary to me. Oh geez, bro. I gotta stay on the throttle, like on it. Hit this. I dabbed my foot, that's not good. Now that's like it. Stay on throttle. I'm not standing up. We gotta work on that. Gotta get my confidence level up. Commit. Oh, no commit. No, he's gaining on us. I'm extremely tired. Actually, not extremely, but tired. I should have committed. I gotta start standing up more. He's right behind me. I know he is. There he is. I must hit it. Oh, there he goes. Holy dust ball. I don't think I'm not gonna go for it. I'm gonna go for the triple though. Oh, that was such a sketchy landing and acceleration into it. No brake, please. Little whip. Whoa. A little bit too far. Now this is very obscure. I don't know what that means, but sounds nice. Just go for it. Oh, you gotta shift. We gotta do it now. Oh, no. And one of my other goals is to look forward. I'm not really focused on anything else. Let him pass. There you go. Let's go. Here he goes. Up and over, let's do it. Way too low of a gear. That was like second gear. I had to shift up. I didn't know what gear I was in. Launching. Heels down. It makes it so much better. Let's see if I can ride his bike. I'm gonna pause here. Holy. I want to do that. Holy smokes. Ugh. Holy. Now that's wild. I think I can do that. Watch him again. God darn, holy. He is flying. Yeah.
What?
Huh?
What's up?
Hello.
Hi.
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 That's wild.
What?
How far and good you jump there.
I want to eventually try and jump over the berm.
Okay.
So I'm trying to jump to the right of it.
Okay.
And see how far I can get.
I see you're like full pinned, or almost.
I'm like third, 3/4. I'm going to try it faster yet.
Okay.
See how it goes.
That's wild. Holy.